All right, welcome back to another video, guys. Today is probably gonna be my favorite thing ever. We are installing coilovers on the Z. Finally. We got a jack right here. We got another jack right here. Yes, sir. Big Body Ian. Big Body Ian. What you know about it? So yeah, we got some coilovers. Jesus, you almost holy crap, dog. You almost destroyed my dome. So we got Godspeed coils right there. I heard some good things. I also heard some bad things, but they were like $900 coilovers, so they better be good. And then I also got Z1 camber and tow arms. So yeah, we're just gonna get to cranking. Ian and I have no idea what we're doing, so let's get it.
6.5 hours later.
So, all the wheels are off. We got the first strut out. Well, we got this thing out. We gotta take this out. This is the bucket. And we got a tow arm to replace that. So, long story, but we got the camber and tow arms in. I haven't done a single thing. Shout out to James for doing this. I'll plug his IG. I mean, you have one, right? Oh yeah. Okay. I'll do that. This kid's nasty. All right. So this side is done. Onto the side. All right. Camber arm out. So we just got this one done. Camber and tow arms in. Now I'm gonna go to the front. This guy James is an absolute demon. Already got the coil out from the front.
Beautiful.
Was the front one harder than the rear?
No, I would say it's easier.
Look at this, dude. Alright, so James just did the suspension for the left. Looks pretty sweet, and he's working on the fronts right now. Wow. Okay, James.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
So is she gonna be stanced out?
Oh, she's gonna be stanced. That's 100% mine.
First wheel's going on. Got the second one going on. We got to adjust the rear a little bit, and then she's gonna be sitting down. I'm so excited for this. Oh my god, so excited. It's like 11 o'clock right now, but we're cranking, right? Cranking.
You actually pull that lock? Yeah.
Go.
I'm gonna watch the rear. That's all I care about.
Oh my god.
Mr. Man's favorite.
Bro, are you kidding me? Wow. We're gonna keep the Z at the shop because it has to get an alignment tomorrow. And then we'll be able to drive her, but I am absolutely loving the fitment, or just the ride height. I mean, I still gotta work on the fitment, but like, that's actually perfect. Like, this is so good now. Oh my god, it looks so sick. I'm so happy with this. Shout out to James. Thank you so much. I'll plug his Instagram. I'll plug his Snapchat. I'll plug whatever he wants. Kid's a menace. He knows exactly what he's doing, and I have a lot of respect for him. So, definitely gonna have a lot more work from him. Definitely calipers. Gonna get a paint matched wing. I think it's gonna be sick. I'm excited.
Day 2.
All right, it's the next day. I picked up the Z from the alignment. This thing rides amazing. It's so sick. It is so dirty, and I can't wait for you guys to see it, like, when we're out of the car. So once we're back, yeah, I'll show you the car. It looks awesome. Fitment's a little whack though. I'm gonna need some spacers in the front, and I think in the rear as well. But other than that, this thing is gonna look nasty, and I'm so excited. So here it is. I mean, this fitment. Oh my god, the fitment is so good. Or the ride height is so good. I mean, the back, okay, the back really isn't that. I mean, it could use some work, but we do need to get some more suspension parts. I need to get some arms and a sway bar, but the fronts are what I'm really worried about. Fronts I need to poke out a lot more, because look at that. We don't like that, but damn, dude, this thing looks nasty lowered. We're not even that low. I mean, yeah, we're pretty low, but that right there, oh my, I'm so excited. Like, this is so exciting. Lip kit, I mean, I'm telling you guys, this car is gonna look so good. Oh my god. Shout out to James. Thank you so much for doing this, bro. Much more work coming from him. I'm telling you right now. We're going crazy with this car, guys. That'll be it for today's video, and it was 2 separate parts. I mean, we were up probably past 12 o'clock last night working on the car, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you all later. Peace out.